Hey everybody, this is an accident that happened on the Ohio Turnpike in October of 2021 with a semi-truck. Here you can see the accident happen in real time as a vehicle was getting this on their dash cam. This is coming up here on State Route 66, 2 miles away from that, which is just north of Archibald, Ohio. Now I'm going to replay this video in slow motion here. Let's take a look and analyze what happened here. Here's the truck on the right-hand side, blew its front tire. You can see chunks of the tire going through the air. Here the truck just lays itself down, the plume of diesel fuel exploding from the fuel tank and sliding into the other lane of traffic, barely just misses that other truck and that other car. Amazing accident. I have no idea if the driver was okay. I sure hope he was. Now here I'm going to slow it down again, and we're going to zoom in on a few things here. Again, we can see that tire flying through the air, the smoke coming off the road from that tire. Blowing is the front driver tire. The truck lays down right here. Boom, that diesel tank explodes, throws diesel throughout the air, and it spins on its side, just barely missing the oncoming traffic. And here you can see the hood of the truck just fling open as the truck spins around. And I'll zoom in so you can see the cab. Hopefully everything was okay. You can see that radiator right there. Now, what's this guy hauling? I couldn't quite figure that out. Leave in the comments what you think it was. It looks like some kind of piece of equipment. I'm not sure. Probably hauling some kind of an alien creature that busted out. What do you think? What an incredible accident. Awesome footage. Enjoy the video, guys. Give me a thumbs up.